Hi, this is my house. I live with my parents, and my grandparents, and my sister and brother. Let's go inside. Hi, Mary. Where is Mom?
She is in the kitchen.
Thanks, Mary. Hi, Mom. Where is Grandma?
She is in the living room.
Thank you, Mom. Hi, Grandma. Where is Grandpa?
He is in the garden.
Thank you, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Where is Dad?
He is in the dining room.
Thank you, Grandpa. Hi, Dad. Where is Max?
He is in the bathroom.
Thank you, Dad. Hi, Max.
Hi, Megan. Where's Mary?
She is in the bedroom.
Max, Megan, dinner time.
Okay, Mom.